Hi traders, welcome everyone. I just get lots of questions from you regarding where the S&P 500 is heading and what we can expect from this market, especially in the next coming weeks. Well, traders, it's not easy to tell. I guess you experienced as well how complicated it has been for day trading as well, not even mentioning about the swings. Indeed, since the beginning of 2025, this volatility, this sudden unexpected news are just turning the market upside down, as you can see. But let's just check the technicals first. So you can see here the daily chart of the SPY, which is the ETF on the S&P 500. Most of the day traders are watching that as the market direction. And since February, the middle of February this year, we have been experiencing quite of a big decline. Even the SPY got to the correction territory, more than 10% down from the highs, and it seems like now we have just found a footage in the beginning of April, and a nice reversal started indeed, but no one knows what's coming next. What is happening at the moment? You know exactly what triggered this move to the downside. It was tariffs news, really meaningful tariffs just imposed, especially to China, Europe, and 180 countries, as you know, of the world. And now, as Trump just started to ease his tone, not just on the tariffs, and ready to negotiate with China, plus Fed Chair Powell looks like he can just keep his role as the chair of the Fed, indeed. But next to this, definitely, which is going to shape the market. First of all, the tariffs updates. We know that, it's obvious. Second, you know, earnings is here, and this week especially going to be the most meaningful week on the earnings too, like Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Meta, Qcom. So lots of big earnings going to hit this week. This is going to shape definitely, especially the triple Q, like the tech sector indeed. Tariffs news plus labor market and the GDP numbers going to hit the market this week as well. So in my opinion, this is going to be a really meaningful week for the market. And what I am expecting on the technical analysis side, as we were just shaping quite a cup and handle formation here, breaking the neckline around 551 today. Let's see what's going to happen indeed. But if we just check into the 200 EMA, which I'm always using like a very strong dynamical trend line on the daily chart around this 563 area, this is going to be the test for the market, the first test, whether we are going to roll over and making a second leg down of the year, or it's able to break it through and even continue first towards to this 580 area. Definitely 600 going to be a huge test, and not mentioning the all-time high, which is quite close. Of course, for that we need lots of good things to happen, like great tariffs development, negotiations continues between China and the US, and they just got a good deal. Second, earnings. Third, don't forget the Fed, because next Wednesday is going to be the federal funds rate decision. So imagine, guys, if everything is going to the right direction with the best news. In this case, I can imagine that we are going to push even over the 200 EMA. If not, if some of the news are not going to be that much favorable for the market, this is going to be a huge test area for the market between like this 563 and the 580 area. So this is what I'm expecting in the coming days, weeks. Well, let's see where we are going to head. One thing is for sure, as you know, we are here for you. I'm trading with you every day live, starting 9 a.m. with the preparation for the trading day, and starting trading at 9:30 till 11 market time, Monday to Friday. So if you like the video, then please just join to our channel, subscribe, and see you every day 9 a.m. sharp. Bye.